Good afternoon.
Oh, hello there. Hi, how are you?
So I'm just walking to your shop.
Yes, thank you very much.
I understand that this shop is a little bit different from other jewelry shops in Dublin.
Completely different.
Can you tell me what's the main differences? Maybe two main differences.
Value and service. Those words are abused by a lot of people, but I stick to them very rigidly. Everything I sell is by weight, and everything is amazing value for my customers. They come back again and again and again. I have customers from all over the world, mostly local people, but people all over the world. Sometimes tourists come in and they buy something and then they become a regular online.
You also have an online business?
Yes.
Okay,
yeah.
Very good. Yeah, maybe you can show me something, because you understand you have a lot of stones in this shop, eh? Maybe.
Absolutely.
How much, Martin?
Are you ready? This is just some of them. This is rubies. This is sapphire. There's some more here. These are garnets.
Oh, these are really big. Are these sapphires?
These are garnets here.
Garnets,
yes.
Yeah.
This is a mixture of different sapphire type stones here. There's onyx, cubic zirconia, amethyst, more cubic, topaz, more rubies, and then all of the packets here are full as well.
So what I understand is that people can just pick a stone here,
yes.
and they say, for instance, I want to spend like €300
yes.
for a ring,
Mm-hmm.
and they pick a stone,
yeah.
and you get them a ring for the €300.
They can have any design at any price. There's some templates of designs that we make. We've made these specially for people, copied them from the internet or from the customer's own design. Some totally different there. I do a lot of shaped wedding rings for people. Sometimes somebody buys a ring abroad and they come back and they find the wedding ring won't sit with it. So we take the ring in and we make a wax model to show them, and then we cast it, and then it's finished and then set with diamonds if they want, to come in exactly whatever budget they want.
Very good, Martin. So I think we have a good impression now from a little bit from the uniqueness of your shop.
Absolutely.
In
yes.
Little Mary Street.
Yes.
And I hope you get a lot of business.
Yes. Pop in again sometime.
Okay, I will. Bye.
Bye.